You will be amazed by this 2020 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Comfort and confidence are yours in this well-engineered Passat. From its smooth ride to its spacious seating to its exhilarating performance and advanced safety features, this athletic midsize sedan infuses every journey with delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, heated front seat. Fun to drive, yet supremely practical. That's the Passat. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our practical staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.